Rivian's new $45,000 EV shocks the entire car industry. Well, Rivian just took it to a whole new level with a $45,000 EV that's going to have Tesla, Ford, and the rest of the auto industry shaking in their boots. We're not talking about some bare-bones compliance car here either. Rivian went all out, packing this affordable electric SUV with insane performance, incredible range, and legit off-road capability that puts Jeep and Land Rover to shame. Just let those specs rattle around in your brain for a second. 0 to 60 in the 3-second range, over 300 miles of driving range, a cutting-edge tech interior, all for $45,000? That's the kind of value proposition you'd expect from a startup trying to undercut the big guys, not deliver a straight-up better product. But Rivian didn't stop there. They engineered this beast with go-anywhere off-road cred baked in adjustable air suspension, beefy all-terrain tires, underbody protection. This isn't just an electric SUV, it's an electric adventure vehicle. With numbers like that for just $45,000, you can bet the old guard automakers are about to get very nervous. So whether you're an electric stan or a die-hard truck fan, buckle up because this $45,000 Rivian EV is about to go supernova and shake up the whole automotive galaxy as we know it. American electric vehicle startup Rivian has made a big splash by unveiling two boldly designed new crossover models called the R2 and R3, along with a more off-road focused variant of the R3 dubbed the R3X. These new models represent Rivian's ambitions to expand beyond the niche off-road focused R1T pickup truck and R1S SUV that put the company on the map and make a bigger push into the mainstream electric crossover market. Rivian also has major plans to launch these new vehicles in Europe as part of a broader international expansion. The R2 will be Rivian's midsize offering, slotting below the larger R1T and R1S in the company's lineup. With a length of 4.7 meters, height of 1.7 meters, and a long 2.9 meter wheelbase, the R2 is dimensionally similar to models like the BMW 9.3 electric crossover. However, the R2's design stands apart with an aggressive off-road-oriented look featuring short front and rear overhangs to maximize approach and departure angles. Up front, it maintains Rivian's distinctive oval LED headlight signatures seen on the R1 vehicles. While retaining real off-road capability that Rivian prides itself on, the R2 has been carefully designed around passenger space and utility. It features two cargo areas including a front trunk, along with ample interior storage cubbies. The interior is highly flexible, with the seats folding flat to open up a huge cargo area. Even the entry-level single-motor rear-wheel drive version will have a targeted range over 300 miles thanks to Rivian's latest higher-density battery packs that can charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. Dual-motor AWD and tri-motor versions with an additional rear motor for maximum performance will also be offered. Rivian says the R2 will launch in 2026 at a starting price of $45,000, positioning it squarely against other mainstream electric crossovers like the Tesla Model Y. It represents an important step for Rivian to move beyond being a niche player into more mass-market territory. The R3 takes that mainstream focus even further as Rivian's new compact crossover offering and most affordable model to date. Built on the same platform as the R2 but with a 135mm shorter 2.8-meter wheelbase, the R3 is similar in size to models like the upcoming Volvo EX40. Like the R2, it maintains a rugged yet modern design aesthetic and a highly versatile folding flat interior layout. However, Rivian is also spinning off a more hardcore off-road focused variant called the R3X. The R3X gets a raised suspension, larger wheels with knobby off-road tires, and underbody protection for tackling tough terrain. It will come standard with Rivian's tri-motor dual rear motor AWD powertrain for maximum off-road performance. While details are still slim, the R3X looks to be positioned as Rivian's newest entry into the burgeoning market for affordable yet off-road capable electric performance crossovers and SUVs. Rivian is being tight-lipped on launch timing for the R3 models after facing significant delays with the rollout of the R1T and R1S. The company states that it has learned from those challenges and is now taking a more cautious approach in terms of announcing firm dates. However, executives have made it clear that the R2 and R3 have been designed with European markets in mind from the outset. Rivian has repeatedly stated its intentions to expand sales into Europe and other global markets as part of its growth plans, after initially concentrating its efforts on North America. CEO R.J. Scaringe has cited the huge potential that China and Europe represent as two of the largest and fastest-growing markets for electric vehicles worldwide. However, Rivian has yet to officially confirm specific timing or details around its European launch plans. Some potential challenges could lie ahead for Rivian establishing a presence in Europe, where brands like Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, and others have a huge lead in terms of production capacity, sales, and charging infrastructure. Entering new markets is always capital intensive, and Rivian is still a relatively small startup that has raised billions but is not yet profitable. There are also regulatory and safety testing hurdles that vehicles must clear to be certified for sale in Europe. However, the potential payoff could be huge if Rivian can successfully build a following with its distinctly American brand of rugged and capable electric trucks and SUVs. The off-road focused models like the R1 Trio could find an appealing niche with outdoor enthusiasts across Europe. And the more mainstream R2 and R3 give Rivian an entry into one of the biggest and hottest vehicle segments globally. Getting a foothold in Europe will be key for Rivian to transform itself from an American startup into a truly global electric vehicle brand. Overall, with the reveal of the R2 and R3, Rivian is taking major strides to expand its product lineup beyond niche off-road models and move into the mainstream with more affordable crossovers designed for family buyers. At the same time, the rugged R3X shows that Rivian isn't abandoning its roots in outdoor adventure capability. And perhaps most significantly, these new models have clearly been designed with an eye towards Europe and other global markets that will be crucial for Rivian's long-term growth ambitions beyond North America. If you enjoy, smash that subscribe button and notification bell. And let me know in the comments below, would you take this over a Tesla Model Y or gas-powered SUV? See you in the next video.